had 6 children and still have 6 children. As each one was born, I would hold that sweet, wonderful miracle close when breastfeeding. The responsibility of providing every need of another human being was not overwhelming at that time. Then they grew and learned to talk and walk and feed themselves. They also could express their needs, wants, and desires. Sometimes I could provide those things. Sometimes I couldn't. 3 of those children developed mental illness. One at a time, as each one was diagnosed, it was the same as when they were babies. I attempted to fulfill their needs, as they were the same, such as food, clothes, housing, and love. Now they are grandmothers, and they understand their mental disorders. Their children don't know why their mothers can't be the same every day. So they call me. I can talk to them. A friend led me to NAMI partnership class and also to meetings, and I thank NAMI members for their support.